Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Blomberg LWI284421 integrated washing machine. What I wanted today is to show you around the washer some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just for a start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click subscribe, give us a quick thumbs up. So this model has a maximum capacity of up to 8 kilograms, as you can see on the left hand side here, and the maximum spin speed is up to 1400 RPM. To switch the machine on, all you need to do is select one of the programs using the dial in the middle. Now you can turn it either way, so it doesn't matter which way. And when you select one of the programs, you'll notice that you've got a really nice clear white LED display. Now this is something that Blomberg have been really good at, making easy to read displays, and it always goes down really well with customers. So I'll just run through some of the programs and some of the consumptions that they offer. So first one is the cotton program. With this one you can wash the full capacity of up to 8 kilograms. Now the only reason I mention that, because there are quite a few programs on washing machines nowadays where you can't wash the full capacity, or if you try and wash the full capacity, then all that will happen, so for example if it was a 4 kilogram recommended load, if you try and wash the full capacity of 8 kilograms in there, then all that will happen is the wash time will take a lot longer than is first of all stated, and also the washing performance might not be quite as good. Anyway, on this cotton program, you can wash the full capacity of 8 kilograms. You can change the temperature. So if I just show you this, so on this program it goes all the way up to 90 degrees centigrade, and it goes through 60, 40, 30, 20, and then down to just the temperature of the water that is arriving into the machine. And on this program, it will consume around 96 litres of water. It takes just over 2 hours. As you go on to the next program, this is the Eco 40 to 60. Again, you can wash the full capacity of 8 kilograms. It takes a little bit longer, 2.5 hours. The main difference is the water consumption on this, if you are washing a full load, is only 65 litres compared to 96 for the cotton program. So personally, I'd recommend if you have got a little bit of extra time, at 2.5 hours, then I would definitely use this program. The main difference is that the temperatures you can select are only 40 or 60 degrees centigrade. You can't change it to any other temperatures like you could with a cotton program. As you go on to the synthetics, so with this one, this has a smaller capacity of only 3 kilograms, and the water consumption on this is around 70 litres. So consider it's only 3 kilograms, it is using quite a lot of water. Next program is the Fast Full Load, or Mini 14. This is 2 programs in one. And with this program, you can wash the full capacity of 8 kilograms in around 28 minutes. Now, some of you are thinking, well, how can it do that? This is only a very, very quick wash. And the main thing I always say to customers is that don't expect the washing performance to be as good on a 28-minute program as some of these programs at the top here. Because some people are. They are commenting that their whites weren't quite as white as they used to be, and when you find out they're only using the really quick programs, then that's the reason why. The other thing to mention is that when you are washing the full capacity of 8 kilograms, it is going to consume around 66 litres of water. Now that sounds quite a lot of water for me, especially compared to the Eco 40 to 60 that is taking a lot longer to wash, but nevertheless that is what Blomberg are stating. If you press the button here, so that will reduce that down to around, well, it says 19 minutes, but on here it's saying Mini 14. So it's between 14 and 19 minutes, and that's where you can wash a maximum capacity of up to 2 kilograms. So that can be really good if you're really in a hurry. If you've got for example, a school shirt that needs to be washed, or a couple of items needs to be washed before school on a busy day, then that could be a program that could make it where the kids get to school on time or not. As you go on to the next program, the hand wash option. So with this is a maximum capacity of only 1.5 kilograms, and it will consume around 55 litres of water. Next option, the 20 degrees centigrade program. So with this, as it says, it's the 20 degrees program, and with this you can't change the temperature. This can be very good if you want it to be an energy efficient program as far as the electricity. The main thing to consider is on this one it will consume around 95 litres of water, but you can wash the full capacity of up to 8 kilograms. Next one, the mixed load. This one has a maximum capacity of 3.5 kilograms and will consume around 85 litres of water. Now something I haven't mentioned so far are the spin speed. So I did mention that the maximum spin speed is up to 1400 RPM. And again, on certain programs, you can increase or decrease the spin speed if you want to. So if you're washing, for example, the cottons, then you can increase it up to 1400, and then it will go between 1200, 800, 600, and then down to the rinse hold and the no spin option. But that's not available on all programs. So the next program at the bottom here is the spin and pump. So this can be a really good program, for example, if you hand wash something and you just want to spin it and then pump the water out. This next one adds a rinse to it. So if you've had something in the cupboard for a while, then if you just wanted to give it a quick rinse and spin, then you can achieve that in around 21 minutes. Next one, this is the machine care program. If you're using some of the quick programs around here, like the fast full load or mini 14, then I'd say the machine care program is almost mandatory. What you'll find is if you're washing at high temperatures a lot, so if you're doing 60 or 90 degrees, that will naturally clean the machine on the inside or help to keep it clean. If you're washing at low temperatures, and especially quick programs, things like the fast full load, then it doesn't have chance to clean the machine properly. So that's why using the machine care option on the left hand side here is very important, and I'd recommend doing it, say, once a month. Don't put any clothes in it, just pop it on that machine program and then select go, and as you can see it will take around 2 3/4 hours, but just make sure you've got a time where you're not using the machine and then set it to go. Hygiene Plus, this can be a very good program if you've got somebody in the household with, say, sensitive skin or suffers with allergies, then this could be a real winner for you. This one has a maximum capacity of up to 8 kilograms, but will consume around 125 litres of water, so it does consume a lot of water. Next program is the stains program. If you've got some stains on your clothes and if you need to get them out, then this could be the program for you. This one has a maximum capacity of only 4 kilograms, so it is half a load and it will consume around 85 litres of water. Next program, the shirts program, is again a smaller load, 3 kilograms, and will consume up to 70 litres of water. With that program, that can be very good if, like me, you tend to wear quite a few either shirts or polo shirts, then this could be a good program to use. Steam refresh. With this, if you've had something in the cupboard for a while, or if you've been out and if the garments are not really that dirty, but if you just wanted to give them a quick refresh, then that could be a good program, and it just allows a certain amount of steam within the program to freshen up the clothes. Final program on here is the cold wash. With this, it doesn't heat the water at all, as it says, so you can't select the temperature on the right hand side here. It will just wash in the temperature of the water that's arriving into the machine. And with that, there's only half a load at 4 kilograms, and it will consume around 45 litres of water. The main other options on here, so first of all you've got the express or intensive. That's where you can speed up the program, as I showed you on the fast full load, reducing it to the mini 14. Steam option, so if you've selected a program and if you just wanted to add the extra steam, then that can be quite a benefit, but it does increase the wash time by a little bit, so it's taken up from 218 to 236. And then water mode, what this will do, this can increase or decrease it. So if the wash that you're doing, so if it's quite dirty washing, then just increase it, and again it will add extra time onto it. So, but that can be very good if the washing you're doing is quite dirty. Also the ending in, so with this option, this is a time delay option, and you can delay the time by up to 24 hours. So if you've got things like economy 7, where you've got cheap electricity during the night, or if you just wanted to delay the start of the program, then this could be a real winner for you. And as I say, it will go up to 24 hours, and then it goes back to the standard duration of the program. And then finally on the right hand side here, you've got the start and pause. To open the door, it's nice and easy. All you need to do is just pull the handle on the right hand side here, and it will open, I suppose, until it touches the furniture door, because it's the hinges on the appliance that are stopping the door opening. As far as the porthole size, on this model you're looking at around 32.5 centimetres, or just under 13 inches. So it is a good size porthole to get the clothes in and out of. Something else to point out is that you do have the filter at the bottom. So if you've got a coin or something that has come out of your trousers, then this is the place to go to make sure it's empty. And I'd recommend probably once a month, I suppose, when you do the machine care program, then just take the filter out and just give it a good clean inside. Just show the energy label on the machine that an A rating is very, very good, very energy efficient. Also the consumption is around 47 kilowatt hours per 100 cycles, but of course that will always vary depending on the programs that you're using and things like the duration, the temperature and all of that. Just showing this, it's an 8 kilogram capacity, and the other thing to mention mainly is the noise level. On this one it is an A rating at 70 decibels. Now, not many machines around this price point are that quiet. This is something I try and point out to customers about the noise level, I suppose, of any appliance, not just washing machines, because there's nothing more frustrating than having a noisy appliance whirring away in the background, especially if you live in an open plan flat or apartment. As you can see, it's an integrated washing machine, so you've got the furniture door over the front. As far as the installation of it, it is pretty simple. You do get the full instructions, show you how to do it. If you're not confident installing it yourself, then at Lords Electrical we do offer a full installation service where we can install the machine, put the door on, put the kick strip back on and then take the old machine away for you, obviously as long as you're within our delivery area. If you're not within our delivery area, then I'd recommend going on to euronics.co.uk, put in your postcode, find a local retailer, and one of those local retailers should be able to offer you that similar service. If you're thinking of purchasing one of these models, I've provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just give us a quick thumbs up, click subscribe, leave any comments below. It does ask for comments, whether it's good or bad about the video. If there's something that you've come here to look for, if there's a specific feature that I've not mentioned, then just pop it in the comments and I'll get back to you. Also, if you have got a Blomberg integrated washing machine like this, not necessarily this model, then let me know what you think about it, because I'd always appreciate the honest feedback. Thanks for watching.